Hello beautiful people, and welcome back again to another mind-blowing video. I really miss you all. Do you know you can upload faceless content on your YouTube channel and gain lots and lots of views on your videos? Well, I recently discovered a trending YouTube niche that is making wave here on YouTube, and it's also making creators a lot of money. Now, check out these channels. This animated Bible stories videos you are seeing on these channels are gaining lots and lots of views here on YouTube. Now, watch this video.
His name was Noah. Noah loved God
This is
very
an
every day
animated
and did
Bible
what was good
story
even though he
video
was
of
surrounded.
Noah's Ark.
One day, your
Interesting,
family.
right? So what if I told you you could easily create videos like this under 30 minutes using just AI tools and a little touch of your own creativity? You don't have to be a story writer. You don't have to be an animator. AI will do all the work for you. In fact, if you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel and you don't know the niche to go into, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to create videos like this, from getting the story script to generating visuals or images that fits your story. So come with me, let me show you how to do it. Now, the first thing you need to come up with is the script for your story. This is quite simple. You can actually do this in two different ways. The first way is to write the entire story yourself, especially if you are a Bible person, like you have knowledge about the stories well enough, you can write the script yourself. Secondly, instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can simply use ChatGPT, a free AI tool, to write the story for you in seconds. So open ChatGPT and come to the message box here and type in your prompt. If you don't have any Bible story in mind, you can simply type something like, "List 5 Bible story ideas for me." The AI will give you a list. You can then pick any one and create your story. But this is the prompt I used for the story. It's a little bit lengthy because I was really describing to the AI exactly what I want it to do for me. You know, it's a machine. You can screenshot it and check it out after the video. So after writing in the prompt, I click on send. Now, as you can see, the AI is done writing the story for me. Wow, this is really amazing. But if you are not satisfied with this, maybe the story is not complete as you want it to be, you can simply twist the prompt and it will generate the story again. So now what I usually do is to copy the entire script and paste it in my notepad or Microsoft Word. This will enable me to easily read through the entire script and check for errors, and to add or remove any text I don't want in the story. So now that I have gotten my script, how do I generate images for my story? Well, ChatGPT will still help me with that. So type in the simple descriptive prompts and click on send. The AI has generated image prompts for each character in the scene of the story. So now to generate our images, I am going to use Microsoft Bing AI. You can download the app on Google Play Store. So open Bing AI and click here, Image Creator Idea into Reality. This AI gives you 15 daily tokens for free. If you have watched this video to this point, it means you are getting value from this video. Please kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when next I drop an amazing video like this. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt one at a time. Then come here to Bing AI and paste in your prompt. Click on Create and wait for it to generate your image for you. It has generated 4 images for me, so I'll click on the one I like. Now I need to resize these images to fit the aspect ratios for YouTube videos. So what I need to do next is to click on these 3 dots here. Click on Resize. Then click on Landscape 16:9, which is the standard ratio for YouTube videos. Now click here to download your image. Now go back and copy the next prompt, paste it here and generate your image. So you are going to copy each of the image prompts and follow the process. There is no magic to that. Do that till you get all your images for your story. Now the next thing you are going to do is to join all your video clips together. You can use any video editor, but I will use CapCut for this tutorial. So open CapCut, click on New Project and import your images to the timeline. Now click on Audio. Scroll through and click on Record. Then tap on this blue circle here and start recording your voiceover script for the story. After that, click here and then click on Export to export your video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that it can reach a lot of persons. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.